Okay?
Last class. Yes.
So
Last period.
Last period, ma'am. Okay. So before we are going to the class, let's play again.
Yes, ma'am.
Sure, ma'am. Yes? Yeah, give bit of the white papers. See here, I will give some clues, okay? So you will draw on the paper. Okay, everyone close your eyes. Close your eyes, everyone. Are you ready? Okay. So where does vitamin D come from? Hello, you draw it here. You will draw everyone. Eyes close. Close your eyes. So just to draw. Where does vitamin D come from?
Sun.
No, don't say the answer. Only do work. Okay, next. So where does blossom smell come from?
Sorry.
Where does blossom come from? Smell. Yes. No. Right? Okay. So what do you drink when you are thirsty?
Water.
Right? So everyone open your eyes. So name something that you have drawn in your paper. Yeah, very good. I will give very big claps to you. So what is that?
Nature.
So everyone, do you know what nature is, right? Right? So here, nature, two faces are there. One face is everyone, do you know what is the nature is very beautiful, right? So today our topic is the other side of nature. Okay. So what is today our topic?
The other side of nature.
So the years are undercut this topic. Review. List. Types. Understand. See, so everyone, do you know the nature? So nature gives us immense joy, but sometimes the nature gives us sorrow, damage to life and property. Is considered to a disasters. Okay, so this is called a natural disasters. Okay, so the natural disasters are earthquake, tsunami, cyclone, flood, drought. The last one is landslide. So do you ever felt on earthquake? Anybody?
Yeah.
So when do you feel when you are experienced earthquake? So just like the table, the earth beneath just shakes at time. Okay, so we do not know when an earthquake is predict one. Is it difficult to everyone, right? So just shake the ground, so we can feel the entire ground below our feet shaking, right? So the ground shakes. This is a cause. Sometimes the walls and on the ground is a cracks, right? See here. So what you can do? Because we don't know. So when an earthquake occur, right? So what you can do? So an earthquake during, it is advised to open a space. For example, if you are in closed space, so what you have to do?
We have to
drop, cover,
Hold
and
on.
hold on heavy objects. Okay. So do you understand? The next one is tsunami. See here. See what is the sea look like? Yeah.
Beach.
Yes.
We are playing in water.
Yeah. Actually, the calm and beautiful look like a beach, but it is be destroyed also. Sometimes a series of large waves that can wash away everything on its path. Right? So what is the indicator? So usually, you say sea water is recedes just before a tsunami. So what you can do? So take shelter in a place that is high on top of a building or a hill. Okay. So the next one is cyclone. The next one is cyclone. So a cyclone, the several strong winds traveling at a high speed. Okay. So the cyclone storm approached. So a sky is dark in color and along with lightning thunder and the rain is very heavy. Okay. So what you can do? So simple, stay indoor. Okay. For example, if you are in outside, so never take shelter near in old damaged building and electric poles and trees because of as a may fall on you.